The latest bonds news is no bueno for would-be mortgage borrowers. And is Starbucks along now? I don't make the news, I just trade around it. So let's get after it. First up, bonds are burning. The U.S. Treasury auctioned 10-year notes at a 4.68% yield, the highest since 2007. Why? ISM data showing service sector prices surging at their fastest pace in nearly 2 years. The labor market isn't helping either. Job openings hit 8.1 million, keeping wages rising and inflation embedded. Expectations now are the Fed won't cut rates before mid-2025, meaning not just corporate borrowing costs stay higher for longer, but house hunters needing mortgages. Have fun with that 30-year fixed rate of 6.7%. Brutal. Next, nvda stumbles. The stock slid 6.2% after CEO Jensen Huang's CES talk. Hope you bought the rumor and sold the news. Still, they're only back to where they were a couple days ago, give or take. But the announcements were long-term plays, not immediate fireworks. Project Digits, a $3,000 AI desktop PC, sounds cool. Who doesn't want a petaflop of compute on your kitchen counter? But didn't wow Wall Street. However, speaking of AI, Anthropic, started by former OpenAI staff and more focused on the ethical deployment of AI, is raising $2 billion at a $60 billion valuation. Who says good business isn't good business? That's after Amazon pledged $4 billion last year. Elon Musk's XAI is at a $40 billion valuation, and rival OpenAI is around $160 billion. With all respect to Pat Benatar, generative AI is the battlefield. Number 4, deal frenzy. Getty Images is merging with Shutterstock, and Paychex is buying Paycor, both human capital management providers, for $4.1 billion. What does this mean? Well, with interest rates staying high, companies are using inflated stock prices as currency for acquisitions, believing their equity is probably a cheaper use of capital than taking on more debt. Is this a smart move or desperate play? I report, you decide. Lastly, in good news for coffee companies and REITs, JP Morgan says no more work from home. Womp womp. Jamie Dimon's pulling everyone back to the office 5 days a week. Let's pour out some Macallan 12 for our banker friends' work-life balance. Starbucks has languished the past year, and since ex-Chipotle CEO Brian Niccol became boss, maybe this is the espresso shot they need. So what's your move? Long coffee and commuting podcasts? Short home ownership? Drop your take below and hit follow. Stay sharp out there.